Question number 1. What is the use of append function? Nicely done. To add new row in data frame is a solid answer.
Question number 2. Select the non-linear data structures.
On track. Tree is the correct answer.
Question number 3. Data structure equal to organized data plus dash.
Nice work. You chose allowed operations on it, and it is correct. Question number 4. What is the need for data structures?
Sharp thinking. All of the above is the right choice.
Question number 5. Which data type is used to stored?
Excellent. Character is a brilliant choice. Question number 6.
Dash is a collection of information.
Great job. Tables is the accurate answer. Question number 7. What is a dictionary data structure? Smart move. Abstract data type made up of associated pairs is an accurate answer. Question number 8. What 2 concepts are used in lists?
Excellent choice. Data type pointer. And the linked list node is the right answer. Question number 9. What is meant by a data structure? Clear logic. Your choice, a way to group related data together, is sound and 100% true.
Question number 10. Which structures does an array have?
Strong choice. Static and mutable structures is the right answer.
Question number 11. Which one is not a data structure?
Correct response. Index is the most accurate answer.
Question number 12. What is self-referential structure?
Exactly. Refers itself makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 13. A tree structure means that data is.
Nice selection. Organized is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 14. Each node in a linked list contains. You chose data and address to the next node. And it is correct. Question number 15. What is the use of a hash function? Bravo. To calculate and return the index of corresponding data is the answer.
Question number 16. What is a queue in data structures?
Well done. A data structure with FIFO behavior is the right choice.
Question number 17. What does a searching algorithm do?
Correct. Search through a set of data is the right answer.
Question number 18. Python built-in data structures are.
Well picked. List, tuple, dictionary, sets is the correct answer.
Question number 19. What is a variable in programming?
Well reasoned. A container for storing data is the correct choice.
Question number 20. A hash table is used when you want.
You got it. Your choice immediate access to data is right.
Question number 21. What are the advantages of arrays?
Good thinking. Easier to store elements of same data type is the right answer.
Question number 22. Which of them is a data structure?
Great thinking. Trees is the right choice.
Question number 23. Which is standard character data?
Perfect. All correct is the correct choice.
Question number 24. The link field in a node contains.
You're right. Address of next node is the correct answer.
Question number 25.
Uses for a tree structure include
Right choice. Manipulating and searching sorted lists of data is the best answer.
Question number 26. What is the goal of a hash table?
Solid response. To immediately find an item without comparing other items is a valid choice.
Question number 27. Types of data structure are dash.
Good job. Your answer both works well here.
Question number 28. A linked list is a collection of
Smart pick. Nodes is the correct choice.
Question number 29. Arrays always have the same dash.
Right again. Data types is a valid answer.
Question number 30, which is standard Boolean data.
Valid point. False and true are correct is true.
Question number 31. Dash is a collection of facts.
Nice selection. Data is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 32. How is linked list implemented?
Right again. Structure is a valid answer.
Question number 33, which is standard integer data.
Exactly. 11 makes sense and it is right choice.
Question number 34. Stack is a dash data structure.
On track. Linear is the correct answer.
Question number 35. Arrays or lists have data and
Clear logic. Your choice and index is sound and 100% true.
Question number 36. What does data structure mean?
Great job. How basic data types and complex data work together is the accurate answer.
Question number 37. Graphs are dash data structure.
Excellent. Nonlinear is a brilliant choice.
Question number 38. BAFT uses which data structure?
Valid point. Q is true.
Question number 39. A program is a combination of.
You got it. Your choice, algorithm and data structure is right.
Question number 40. Q data structure works on.
Good job. Your answer FIFO works well here.
Question number 41. What is a structure in C-base C++?
Excellent choice. A collection of variables of different data types is the right answer.
Question number 42. It is an input to a computer.
Good thinking. Raw data is the right answer.
Question number 43. The dash part holds the data.
Nicely done. Data is a solid answer.
Question number 44. Any raw fact can be called as.
Well picked. Data is the correct answer.
Question number 45. Arrays are an example of dash.
Strong choice. Static data structures is the right answer.
Question number 46. What is a mutable structure?
Solid response. A structure that allows its data to be changed is a valid choice.
Question number 47. Which is real standard data?
Bravo. 8888 is the answer.
Question number 48. Tree is dash data structure.
Sharp thinking. Nonlinear is the right choice.
Question number 49. What is meant by element?
You chose a single piece of data in a list, and it is correct.
Question number 50. Data structures is the dash.
Smart move. Organization of data in memory is an accurate answer.
Question number 51. Branch and bound is a dash.
Well done.
Problem-solving technique is the right choice. Question number 52, example for data structure. Smart pick. All of the above is the correct choice.
Question number 53. Pointer is dash data type.
Nice work. You chose derived and it is correct.
Question number 54. A file is a collection of. Well-reasoned. Related records is the correct choice. Question number 55. What are stacks used for? You're right. To keep track of a sequence of operations is the correct answer. Question number 56. What is a data structure?
Perfect. Defines how the flow of data is controlled is the correct choice.
Question number 57. Array is dash data type.
Great thinking. Derived is the right choice.
Question number 58. Void is dash a data type.
Right choice. Primary is the best answer.
Question number 59. Stack data structure is.
Correct response. LIFO is the most accurate answer.
Question number 60. Data is a collection of.
Correct. All of the above is the right answer.
Question number 61. How do we arrange data?
Valid point. Sorting is true.
Question number 62. Structured data example.
Solid response. List is a valid choice.
Question number 63. An algorithm is dash.
Nice selection. A set of steps to follow in order is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 64. Advantages of array.
Smart move. Easy to store similar data type is an accurate answer.
Question number 65. What is a variable?
Strong choice. Saved information is the right answer.
Question number 66. What is a data type?
Perfect. Defines the type of data stored in a variable is the correct choice.
Question number 67. What is a 2D array?
Well done. Data is organized in rows and columns is the right choice.
Question number 68. What is data frame?
Well reasoned. A data structure from Pandas library is the correct choice.
Question number 69. What is a record?
Excellent choice. A data structure that groups together related items is the right answer.
Question number 70. Node consists of.
Nicely done. Data and address is a solid answer.
Question number 71. What is a tuple?
Clear logic. Your choice a data structure that cannot be changed is sound and 100% true.
Question number 72 refers to dash.
Right again. Data type is a valid answer.
Question number 73. What is an index?
Right choice. The position of data stored in an array is the best answer.
Question number 74. Arrays are dash.
Sharp thinking. All the options is the right choice.
Question number 75. A node contains.
Excellent. Both pointer and data value is a brilliant choice.
Question number 76. A hash table is.
Great thinking. An abstract data structure is the right choice.
Question number 77. DS stands for.
Exactly. Data structure makes sense and it is right choice.
Question number 78. Dash raw fact.
Bravo. Data is the answer.
Question number 79. What is data? Nice work. You chose real word entity and it is correct.
Question number 80. A tree is a...
Good job. Your answer, non-linear data structure, works well here. Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Good thinking. Contact Narayan Chengder is the right answer.